Getting face-to-face selling time with real decision makers within the construction and built environment industry has never been easy. In fact, it's harder today than ever, and it's getting harder. The life of a salesperson isn't straightforward. Large targets to hit, numerous KPIs to achieve, and seemingly endless internal meetings are just the start. And how about winning new business? Lead generation, prospecting, preparing for and following up on meetings, as well as the dreaded traffic, means there's a lot to cram into the working day. Your sales team represents a very significant investment, and your number one priority should be to maximize the time and effectiveness of this expensive resource. Our company, Results, can help you achieve just that. We are a strategic telemarketing agency specializing in the construction, built environment, and industrial markets. We work with hundreds of salespeople, and when it comes to prospecting for new business, we find they don't have time, they don't like doing it, or simply aren't very good at it, and it's usually a combination of all three. The end result is that it doesn't happen, or at best, it's done piecemeal. Is your sales team too focused on meeting empty targets and poorly conceived KPIs? Always going after the easy sell instead of pursuing higher value opportunities? Relying too heavily on existing contacts? Approaching via the point of least resistance, even when it means they aren't engaging with the real decision maker? Struggling to develop opportunities in new markets? In our experience, salespeople can be very effective when engaged with the right people. The challenge is getting them there in the first place and at the right time in the decision-making process. So, let us show you where and how we can help. With a proven track record of success developing new business in all public and private sector verticals, we can target the entire spectrum of decision makers, from end user clients to specifiers, main contractors, and the wider supply chain for new build, refurbishment, retrofit, and maintenance-led opportunities. We take the time to understand your business and objectives to formulate a tailored, strategic plan with predefined parameters and targets. Every opportunity we create on your behalf will meet strictly agreed criteria, and if it doesn't, it will never get in front of you. At Results, we add real value with our in-depth knowledge of the construction, built environment, and industrial markets. Bespoke approach to devising a plan that delivers a very specific and measurable form of output. Vast amounts of project, company, and key decision-maker data, and a proven process for leveraging this information to maximum effect. Decades of experience of selling similar product and service propositions within the same vertical sectors as you. Highly motivated, stimulated, and well-managed workforce. Dedicated project teams and director-level engagement on all projects. Regardless of the brief, we have the tools, knowledge, resources, and people to ensure your salespeople spend more time in front of genuine decision makers that can influence specification, selection, and procurement decisions for the products or service you provide. On average, a client that retains our service for 2 days per week over the course of a year will receive approximately 200 opportunities. If the criteria are properly considered and your sales team can't deliver a significant return on this investment, then there's something very wrong. In short, there are some clear benefits for your business by working with us. A clear strategy for engaging new customers more effectively. A more methodical, structured, and consistent approach to developing new business. Greater clarity on the routes to market that really work. Dramatically improve market and customer penetration. Develop a real pipeline of short, medium, and longer-term sales opportunities. Reduce customer acquisition costs. Greater flexibility and reduced time to market. We've been doing this since 1989, and with a client retention rate of 90% for the last 3 years, we must be doing something right. So why not give us a call? We might be able to help you.